Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to flip a screen. First of all, open up Settings of your PC. Then, go into System from the navigation bar. After that, click on Display Orientation. Now, press the Alt key, then the Control key, and finally, the right arrow key. You will notice that your screen rotates. If you want to bring it back to its normal position, press the Alt and Control keys again, but this time, use the left arrow key. If you want to rotate the screen in the opposite direction, use the Alt and Control keys once more. This time, pressing the down arrow key. Then, your screen will rotate accordingly. To return to the standard orientation, press Alt, Control, and the up arrow key. If you want a precise rotation angle, press the Alt and Control keys, then use the arrow keys accordingly. If you want a 180-degree rotation, press the down arrow key. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.